Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the BIM tool test preparation. So I'm trying to give the BIM tool test preparation, how to do, how to resolve the questions, answers and all, and what are the questions should be asked in the BIM test preparations and all in the Revit software. So I'm taking with the Revit software here. So see, it's not like exact questions in the practical test they will ask. These are some short of the questions that I have noticed. Okay, so there are some question to be added, some question not to be added. Then some of them are having a basic question, some of them are having a little bit advanced. So we'll try to sort out all the things here. So this is the new series and new advanced series I'm starting for the pressures, how we can help and what are the things that we can do and all. So some of the basics questions also there. Then when we are trying to resolve those things, you will get some idea about other questions as well, how to resolve those things and all. So these are the series I'm going to start from tomorrow onwards. I will try to upload a video around 1 to 3 videos in a week. Like first week the 3 videos, second week 3 videos, and third week 3 videos, like that I will try to upload in 7 days. I will try to upload a 3 videos. So we'll see how we can do these things properly. And also see here I have mentioned few questions about the area and scheduling, then again the area and scheduling. Then when it comes to the roof modeling questions, then staircase and railings, some of them are basic, some of them are little bit advanced. So we try to cover all the things as well. Tomorrow onwards you will get the videos. This is the beginning of the new series here. So I just request you, all the peoples who are watching this video, please do subscribe, share and support. Then wait for the videos. Tomorrow onwards we will get the videos as soon as possible as well. So today's just introduction class that I have taken. Then I hope you all are enjoyed these things and you will going to enjoy more as well. Then you will be the complete a guy, those who clear the BIM interview easily. So I will try to help you on out those things as well. So today is enough guys. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share and support my channel as well. Then we are going to launch these series as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys.